you can't control him.
Oh, but that would have been better, except that knowing the way it's a winner takes all kind of system that we run, I'll be naive to think that they will give such a very sensitive position to Martin Amidu. That was what we're clamoring for. That look, if not, if anything at all, civil society should also be given the opportunity to make an input. You see, we are all citizens. Like I said earlier, wisdom doesn't reside in one head. Let the citizens also participate. So I supported the move where the anti-corruption coalition, the coalition against anti-corruption, Ghana National Anti-Corruption Coalition. Sure. Yeah, where they said, look, let civil societies be involved in the selection process. They will come up with 3 candidates, and then the president may choose one. Yes, at least that's halfway house. But all those were rejected. So you see, there's this practice where the winner takes all. He takes all. It's not good. I mean, we should move our democracy forward. It just doesn't reflect our traditional system.
I get the feeling that we're going to see this prosecutor as an MPP person, really.
That bottom line, that's what it will be. Yeah. Maybe, so it's a lesson. But I think as citizens are becoming smarter with every election, I can foresee that it won't be long. Some of these things will go away. They will reform it where they would let civil society come in. But for now, the person will have to be a party person.
So how objective will that office be then?
Wow. To the extent of the personal strength of the person. So if the person has achieved a lot in life personally, okay, if he has a strong track record, he's an achiever, he's not scared of losing the job, and he has strong personal values, he will do very well, because look, he would want to do what he thinks is right. If the powers that be don't agree, he can resign or leave. Because, and thankfully, because you'll be a lawyer, look, there's always work in the court. Look, this job, with average level of diligence, you always make a living. You will never be poor. So I'm expecting that, to the extent that from the look of things, he'll be a practicing lawyer, he should exercise a very good degree of independence. If people don't, if the appointer doesn't like him, then maybe he can leave. The prosecutor can leave, because there will always be work. Yes, it's not that type of profession where if you lose this job, then it's like, when is the next meal, or where is the next meal coming from?
Is there a female? I haven't heard the name of a female being mentioned at all when it comes to the special prosecutor.
Yes, myself, as I said, for me in the early days, I only heard of Mr. Akuapem Twi. Yes, and yeah, it's okay. Though he's a party man, but generally he commands a lot of respect. Okay, across. I mean,
how about a retired Supreme Court judge or something of the sort?
A retired Supreme Court judge, I wouldn't say so. He would have lost energy. He would have been above 70. You see, let somebody with fresh blood. He's a Supreme Court judge. I mean, he can, you see, work in the office, but to be the special prosecutor, I prefer somebody younger, much stronger. Okay. You see, yes.
A former minister of the previous administration, or it would be too political?
Yes, that's what I said. Then if a former minister of the previous administration, then it will go to Amidu. But as I said, practically, no. If it doesn't look like it, yeah, we can discuss it as a form of thinking about the way forward in future. Yes, sure. But right now, no. It's too sensitive. Okay. Too sensitive. I even remember those days for Mr. Amidu, the argument also came up that they would say he has an axe to grind with his own party, because of the manner in which he was forced out and all those things. Yes, but I don't know how it finally panned out, but that was one point that was made. So bottom line, wow, it would be a miracle for them to give it to an opposition member. Probably maybe somebody in the middle, somebody who is not shown any party affiliation at all. You say it, yes.
Okay, all right, now let's talk about the real reason you're here today. Let's talk about the TV license, and I want to start